In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you need to use one of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. To customize it though, tap on the same color palette, but this time use this plus under my themes. Now click on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and then hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done, manage key borders, and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!